Hey, this is Carl Anderson, General Manager at MarineMax Charleston, and today I'm going to take you through a 2025 Cruisers Yachts 38 GLS. It's the first one we've had in Charleston. Let's take a look. Starting off here on the transom on the 38 GLS from Cruisers Yachts, this boat is powered by triple V10 400 horsepower Mercury Verados. These are the new 5.7 liter engines. Great performance with these motors. Also feature the top cowling service door where you can check and add your oil, and also easily remove the cowling with a single lever with just one arm. Tons of real estate back here. We've got SeaDek foam flooring throughout the entire boat, so really super comfortable on your feet. You'll notice we have the starboard gunnel in the down position. This gives you an extra perspective of the water. You can face the water to the starboard side and not having to look over the engines. In addition to having a backrest that pivots, you can face the water here and have an uninterrupted perspective of those nice views on a gorgeous day here in Charleston. Coming back here to the transom area, got a really nice settee back here that can face forward or aft with this backrest. Ultra vinyl upholstery, super comfortable and soft to the touch. So whether you're trying to catch a sunset off the back or you're having a nice meal here in the cockpit, you got the amenities on board to do so. A lot of storage on the boat as well, beneath just about all of the seats inside the cockpit and at the transom. We have cup holders and charging ports and a stereo remote with the Rockford Fosgate sound system. Freshwater sprayer off the back as well. Super convenient when you're coming back in, you need to rinse off some salt or some sand. And we have easy access to our shore power hookups along with freshwater and the boat's automatic flushing system beneath this compartment. You can see here we have the extended shore shade out. Plenty of shade on this boat, comes all the way out to the end of the swim platform here. So if you want to get out of the sun, you got the equipment to do so. We've got a starboard side entry into the cockpit, L-shaped settee here around a high gloss table. And we have opposing seating as well. Storage beneath all three of these seats. Little cooler box here beneath this seat. Systems access on this boat is beneath this hatch, which is powered and raises. When you take a look down there, you're gonna see everything is super well laid out, well labeled, easy to get to everything. Everything's easy to access. We have our Seakeeper 3 gyro stabilizer mounted down here, easy to get to for maintenance and service. Generator, battery chargers, a reverso kit, the reverso auto flush system, all of our batteries, extra battery switches, everything that you need for the boat's electrical system is down here and very easy to get to for an owner-operator experience. Over here on the port side, we have our summer kitchen wet bar area. We have a Kenyon electric grill concealed beneath a really nice synthetic Corian countertop grill lid. We have a refrigerator and receiver combo. Nice cabinetry on board as well with a trash receptacle, cup holders, freshwater sink. We have a mount for a television as well. And we also have 110-volt outlets. So if you want to hook up a blender here, got the stuff you need to do that. Huge hardtop in this boat. We also have a opening sunroof if you want to catch some sun or you're out doing some night cruising and you want to check out the stars. Coming forward over to the helm, really well appointed and comfortable helm area. Got an angled footrest with some non-skid that's nice and comfortable on your feet. Whether you're using this as a leaning post or you're in a seated position, very comfortable, great elevated perspective of the water. You don't lose your visibility when you're underway. Double wide seat here with an armrest for an observer. We have a wrapped Gussie steering wheel, twin Sinrad touchscreens. We have all of our switching here at the helm, lights, pumps, accessories, the shade, the beach platform deploys via that dash panel as well. Electronics and controls, we have digital throttle and shift with those Mercury Verados. Active trim comes standard. We have Lenco trim tabs with LED indicators. Of course, joystick for Mercury, which includes their skyhook and autopilot features as well. We do have air conditioning at the helm along with below deck. So forward of the wet bar area, we have two really comfortable bar stools. This is an awesome setup. We were just hanging out at the sandbar or the beach or just doing some general cruising. And now you can see it from above. We have the sunroof open. So we've got everything we want to have on this boat. Nice sun, comfortable breeze, awesome day here on the water in Charleston. Coming forward, we do have a block off door. In addition to being able to close the windshield so we can separate the cockpit on those cooler running days. We have storage along the gunnels here, which is great for storing lines and things you don't want to clutter up floor or other areas. And then coming up to the bow seating area, great arrangement up here. Got another high gloss table with some cup holders, really high backrests, super comfortable seating. We have plenty of cup holders, sound system, charging ports up front. Nice, high, deep gunnels too, so everybody's gonna feel safe and comfortable. We also have a bow sunshade kit, so we can shade this entire area. It's currently stowed underneath this locker here, which is nice for extra storage. Snugs up to the hard top, drop some stanchions up front, and you can have this under a really nice canopy. We also have our windlass controls beneath this locker, in addition to what you have back at the helm, and we also have a washdown system here as well. And now we'll make our way inside the cabin. So down here in the cabin, we have a television, a refrigerator, and a microwave to the port side. You have a really nice seating area, dinette area that also converts into a berth. So this boat sleeps 4, 2 up front, and then you have a really large sleeper in the back. Really nice head area. It's a wet head with a shower wand, porcelain toilet. We have a deep vessel sink, Corian countertop. Of course, the floor is drained. Cabinetry, storage behind the mirrors here. Good lighting, natural light from the side windows and over lighting as well. And you'll notice all the woodwork is really well done and looks really sharp also. So the aft cabin on the 38 GLS very comfortably sleeps 2. We have a television mounted on the starboard wall, air conditioning controls. We've got plenty of storage on both sides and reading lights. So a very comfortable cabin space, both sleeping forward and sleeping aft, comfortably sleep for adults. That's a walkthrough of the 38 GLS from Cruisers Yachts. Again, I'm Carl Anderson, General Manager at MarineMax in Charleston. If you have any questions or interest in this boat or any of our others, give us a call at 843-747-1889, and always check us out online at marinemax.com. See you on the water, and thanks for watching.